So you are done with the facial performance and you take it to the sequencer. It's playing the animation very well. Wow, nice. But as soon as you pat down this animation on the control, you see this. And you are frustrated like me. Something like this. Huh, I can feel you, man. So, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you the solution, alright? So, all you have to do is, after the baking, select this face layer and scroll down to the bottom and delete all these keys and type in 0 and voila, problem solved. Yes, that's it, guys. And we were spending hours and hours in solving this issue. Huh. Anyway, leave a like if it helped you. See you in the next video.